Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you're looking to organize your Notion workspace by displaying multiple databases all within a single view, you've come to the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to showcase more than one database side by side in Notion, making it much easier to compare, reference, or manage your projects without flipping between different pages. Let's jump right in and I'll walk you through each step, explaining what's happening along the way and why it makes a difference in your workflow. First things first, open up your Notion page where you want to show multiple databases together. Now, let's start by adding your first database. Simply type a slash, that's ICE, and then type database. Notion will offer you a bunch of options here, like table, inline, board, inline, gallery, and so on. You can pick any format you feel suits your content best. For example, you might choose a table if you want to see your entries in rows and columns, or a board if you're tracking things in a Kanban-style workflow. Just click on the database format you like, and Notion will insert a blank database right onto your page. Now, with your first database added, let's bring in a second one. Again, type a database on a new line. You'll get the same list of options, but this time, instead of creating a new database, let's link to an existing one, your sample database. Notion makes this easy. You can select Link to Database and then search for your sample database in the list. Once you've picked the database you want to show, it'll pop up right under the first one. Here comes a little tweak that's super helpful. Sometimes when you link to a database, Notion will default to the original view settings for that database, which may not be what you want to see every time. To customize it, click Add a New View at the top of your newly linked database. You can choose from Table, List, Board, or another view. You get the flexibility to display your data however works best for you. Maybe you want a filtered view showing only ongoing tasks, or perhaps you need to group entries by status or project. Play around with these options to find the setup that fits your needs. Once you've created your custom view, you can delete the old default view if it's cluttering up your page. Just click the three dots next to the old view name and select Delete. Don't worry, you're only removing that specific view, not the actual data in your database. Let's add another database. Type our database once more and repeat the same process. Link to your next sample database. Then, as before, click Add a New View and set it up however you prefer. Maybe for this one you want a board view or you want to sort it by deadline. Whatever helps you keep your workspace efficient and clear. After customizing, go ahead and delete the old default view just like before. This keeps everything tidy and tailored exactly to what you need. And that's really all there is to it. By stacking multiple linked databases and fine-tuning each view, you'll transform your Notion page into a powerful dashboard where everything you care about is visible at a glance. This can be a game changer for project management, content creation, or even keeping track of personal goals, even if you're working solo or within a team. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and give the video a like. It helps me know I'm on the right track. If you have any questions or run into any issues while setting up your own database views, just drop a comment below and I'll get back to you. And if you want more Notion tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.